So, hey folks, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back indoors tonight, but we're grilling. We're breaking out my Chefman Indoor Grill, and we're going to grill up some chicken drums. So we're going to butterfly chicken drums on the Chefman Indoor Grill, and I can't wait to show it to you. Hey guys, if you've been around here for a while, I've had my Chefman Indoor Grill for a few years now. I use it a lot in the colder months when I can't get outside, or just choose not to get outside because it's cold and I'm getting old and wimpy. We're going to get our water pan full. You should never cook without a water pan being full. Add a little bit more water here. Carefully slide that back in place. Go ahead and put our grate on. Only then do I recommend plugging this thing in after it's all set up, and go ahead and turn it on so we get this thing heated up while we prep the chicken. I'm going for a medium to a little over a medium high cook. We'll check the temperature on the grate once it gets heated up. So let's get some chicken prepped. Hey guys, you can see here I got 6 bone-in chicken legs, and I'm going to butterfly these. I don't know, hopefully I can get this where I can show you. Feel around. There's a thicker part of the meaty side, and then there's a not so meaty side. That's where I'm going to make my cut so we can butterfly this. I've done this a few times, but that's all we're going to do is take our knife, come down along the bone, and we're going to come down and trim around the bone. If you got a good sharper knife than what I got, even though it's doing a pretty good job. See how that's butterflying out there? I'm going to do the same thing on this side of the bone. What I find is this does a little bit more even cooking on the drumstick. Look at there. One butterflied drumstick. I'll show you one more, then I'll just do the rest. Your meaty side. We got a little side there. Find your bone. Come down along the side of the bone. How cool is that? Marvelous. I'll get the rest done and we'll get this thing on the grill here shortly. I'll get them seasoned up first. I guess we went back and forth on what to do for seasoning, but yeah, we just come up with this SPG plus butter. I've used this lots of times. And so we're going to do, I hope I got enough here. Should be delicious. The grill is coming up to temp, so it shouldn't be too much longer. Give these guys a flip. then we'll hit the other side. $325, $300. I'm gonna kick it up just a little bit harder. Let's see, around $350. Hey guys, I think we're ready to go here. Get these on, get them grilling. Hopefully they'll all fit. We'll have to move them around some for evenness. Well, open up there. There we go. We'll check back in a few minutes and flip them over. Hey guys, it's been a few minutes here. We're gonna give these guys a flip. Get some grill marks on there. There we go. Very nice. We'll check back in a few minutes. Hey guys, I'm coming in and give these a flip, then we'll check some temps. I don't think we're quite done, but we're gonna find out how close we are. It's looking and smelling good. Let's go ahead and check some temps. Right here on the ends, we need to work on that a little bit. 120, we got a little ways to go, guys, there. Off the bone. A little closer there in the middle. We'll have to move these around some, I know that. 42, a little bit to go. 48. See what we can do here. Alright guys, a little bit longer, we'll check back. Alright guys, I've been flipping and flipping and flipping off camera. Taking a little longer than I anticipated, but that's okay. But the little one is getting a little hungry, so I got two. I got two that are ready here. I'm gonna go ahead and get him fed. We'll finish cooking off the rest of them. Hey guys, it's taking a little longer than anticipated, but I think we are finally there. Let's get this off of here and get a bite and see what it tastes like. I've never done drumsticks on this indoor grill before, I don't think. Hey guys, we're rushing this a little bit because I'm hungry. It looks good, a little plate there. I got some potatoes, some green beans Mama whooped up there, and we're gonna get a bite of this guy right there. Hey guys, see it? Let's get a bite of that. That's what SPG plus butter, boy, that kind of jumps out there. Put a little nibble here. That is really good. I've never done the butterfly I don't guess I've done drumsticks on this little grill at all. I don't recall doing them anyway. Took a little longer than I anticipated. That was probably about a 45-minute cook. I even kicked the heat up a little bit higher just to try to get them done a little faster. But yeah, so far no complaints. My little nibble. Pretty darn good. I like it. I'll do it again. I got some ideas of how to make that a little bit faster on here. See that at a later date. But guys, thank you as always. I enjoy doing these cooks. We're inside for the immediate future. I know I got my indoor cook audience, so I ain't too concerned about it, other than I just enjoy cooking outside. So thank you as always, guys, and as always, hit that like button. It helps out a lot. Subscribe if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. Cheers to you, folks.